I'm going to show you how to invite your friends in YAPYAP. So the first thing you'll need to do is load into the lobby, which is this one here. And you will need to also have your Steam overlay enabled. So you can open up Steam, go to the top left, click on Steam and then settings. From here, scroll down to in-game and then turn on the overlay by checking this box here. And also check the shortcut to toggle on and off the overlay. Now you might need to restart the game if the overlay was disabled. And once you load it in the game, you can use that hotkey to toggle on and off the overlay. Now you will need to walk into this room here and interact with the Ponder Orb, which is this one, by pressing E. It should seat you down and open up the Steam overlay where you can invite your friends. And you will be only able to invite friends from your friends list by right-clicking on an online friend that owns the game and click on invite to game. And they should receive an invite. And they can then press the join, or they can simply look for you in the friend list and right click and join the game if both of you own the game. And once they are in the game, you can leave this and go to this spot here. Once all of you are ready, you can interact with this orb. The host should interact with this, and it should initiate a teleporting countdown. And then it should take all of you into the actual game level where you can start playing. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.